Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When your project calls for pressure washing of light-duty projects such as patio furniture, screens, lawn care equipment, and vehicles, the lightweight and portable Mighty M 1400 PSI electric pressure washer is a great choice to get the project done right. Setting up an electric pressure washer is easy and does not require any tools. However, it's important to follow these procedures before you begin your cleaning project. First, just like any other piece of equipment, there are safety precautions you need to take when operating a pressure washer. Please follow all safety instructions and caution stickers on the washer. Always wear safety goggles and closed-toe shoes, and protect yourself from the possibility of direct spray. Now to start the pressure washer. Place the pressure washer on a flat surface and make sure the water strainer is in place and free of debris. Connect a garden hose to the washer and the other end to your water supply. Now, connect the male end of the high pressure hose to the water outlet on the unit, and the other end to the bottom of the gun assembly. Pull back the collar, attach the hose, and make sure the collar snaps back into place. Select the high-pressure nozzle best suited to your cleaning task. To install, pull back the collar on the end of the gun and wand assembly. Attach the nozzle and release the collar, letting it snap into place. You can now turn on the water. The electric power washer and hose will fill with water, so it's important to purge the system of excess air before starting the unit. Simply squeeze the trigger on the gun. Now you're ready to start the motor on the pressure washer. Plug it into a properly grounded outlet and make sure the GFCI is set. Next, turn the switch on the motor to the on position. You're ready to use your pressure washer. Just a few cleaning tips to remember. When using the electric pressure washer for any of your cleaning projects, the use of an all-purpose detergent is very effective in removing hard-to-clean dirt and grime. To use the detergent, first attach the black low-pressure detergent nozzle. Locate the clear detergent pickup hose on the unit and submerge the end of the hose into the bottle of detergent. Do not allow the detergent to dry on the surface you're cleaning, and be sure to thoroughly rinse the entire area. To rinse, remove the injector from the detergent. Replace the black detergent nozzle with a high-pressure nozzle. With proper maintenance, you can add years to the life of your property. Now, if you're planning to refinish your deck, we recommend a gas-powered pressure washer for a job of this size. It'll ensure the best results and decrease your cleaning time. When your project is complete, turn off the pressure washer. Remember, pressure has built up in the system, so you must squeeze the trigger gun to release the pressure after the unit has been shut off. Turn off your water supply. Disconnect the high-pressure hose from the unit and gun, and disconnect the garden hose. Remove as much water as possible from the hoses. Remove the nozzle from the gun and return it to the holder on the unit. When you're ready to transport the unit, make sure it's properly secured in your vehicle and you have all attachments with you when returning to the rental center. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.